Hiding your online status on CapCut can help maintain your privacy while using the app. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open CapCut. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your avatar or the profile icon. Look for the settings option, usually represented by gear icon. Step 3. Find privacy settings. In the settings menu, scroll down to find the privacy settings section. This is where you can manage your visibility options. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, look for the option related to online status. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save your changes. Exit the settings menu and return to the main interface of the app. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on CapCut, allowing for a more private experience while using the app.